Welcome, here I've got LG K62 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. And here in the useful features category, at the first place we have the grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on our camera grid lines, and another tap to turn them off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera, and here in the preview now we can see these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to the camera, then to the left corner button, and then to the useful features and pick this one to turn them off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.